AI is everywhere now. It's in every single job. It's so cool. I'm very excited about it.
Yeah, I mean, AI is cool, but it can't do every single job. Okay, AI does good art. We can use it for lots of other things, but AI can't be a doctor.
AI can be a doctor.
How?
Well, they say AI is actually a really good doctor because you can put in all of your symptoms and it will look at the pattern. An AI doctor doesn't judge you based on what you look like. They actually look at the data.
Okay, but then how can AI be a teacher? You need empathy to be a teacher. AI is just a robot. It can't relate to one child.
An AI can be programmed with empathy. We can put that in, and then the AI will know how to teach every child.
Okay, well, AI can't be a chef, a cook, because it can't taste anything. It can't see if the recipe is right. It won't be able to tell if it tastes good.
Sure, it can't taste, but an AI can have millions of recipes, more food than any human chef could ever have made. It can know how acid and different tastes work.
Okay, well, AI can't be a singer. It doesn't have a mouth or vocal folds to sing from.
There is an AI singer that exists right now.
You are
in
joking.
Japan. I'm not. This is a real thing. This is a real thing. There is an AI singer and performer.
Maybe AI can do everything. I don't want it to, but maybe it can. What do you think AI can do?
Emery Talks